How to fix Snapchat device ban. I am going to show you how you can easily fix the Snapchat device ban. To fix this issue, open the Settings app on your phone first. Tap on the Connections option. Go to Wi-Fi and reconnect it for a strong internet connection. Second, go back and tap on the About Phone option. Make sure the software is updated. In Settings, tap on the search bar and search for the Date and Time option. Select Date and Time and toggle on the Automatic Date and Time button. Now use the date and time provided by your network. Next, go to Settings and search for Reset. Select the Reset option and tap Reset. Tap on the Reset Network Settings option to reset the network. In Settings, scroll down and select Apps. Scroll down and search for the Snapchat app. Tap on it and go to Storage. Tap on the Clear Cache button to remove all the junk files. Next, open your Google Play Store app and search Snapchat. Tap on it and update the app to the latest version. The last method is to open the web browser. Search for the Snapchat support website. Tap on the first link to open the web page. You can get help from the support team to find a solution. Using these methods can fix the issue occurring on Snapchat.